Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. Quite an interesting one today. We've got some very deep-seated wax in the ear canal. So not a great deal of wax, but it's sitting right in front of that eardrum. And it's really hardened against the skin that's behind it there. So we're going to use a standard size Zollner to go in. And I know when we've spoken before, basically we say that when we're suctioning closer to the eardrum, we try and go in with a fine end to do more delicate work. But because this wax is so large in comparison to the eardrum, we need to get as much of this away as we can. And at the moment I'm working on the outer section, so this section obviously closest to us. So there's no risk of perforating the eardrum as long as we're very, very gentle at the moment. So we're just removing the larger pieces of debris. If you see any liquid in here, the client's been using some olive oil just to soften this up for us. So you might see a bit of liquid just moving around. It's just a bit of olive oil. The pink things I think is some kind of fabric debris. That's not blood or anything like that. It's just it's like little bits of wool that have got caught in there from something. So just clearing as much of this as we can. Obviously every time we're clearing some, we're releasing some of the olive oil that's trapped behind it. So there's a lot of olive oil getting moved around in this ear canal from the suction. This last section now is obviously quite large, and wax, when it gets close to the eardrum, like it's a bit like an iceberg. What you can see on top is not always everything that's there, because the ear canal flares just before it hits the eardrum. So sometimes there's a lot more sitting in grooves by the side. So what we're trying to do is peel it away from the eardrum first of all, and then maneuver it down the canal. So I'm just trying to lift it out of those grooves. There, bang. You can see how much larger that piece is now we've maneuvered it out. So this is the outer section. Just going back in now to remove that larger piece. You can see bits of hair in here as well, which has been holding it on. You can see what's pulling out of that groove. There we go. But it's too big. We can't get it down the ear canal. It's jammed top and bottom, and because it's now side on, suction's not going to get a grip on this. So we're going to use the old crocodile forceps. Are going to come out now. I know you guys love the crocodile forceps. So we're just going to go in. We're going to grab that wax. There you go, and maneuver it. And out it comes. Now, here's the interesting bit. When we go back in, there's actually a second membrane here, a thin layer of skin. So that's got to come out. This has been sitting in front of the eardrum. This is what the wax was attached to. So it wasn't attached to the drum. It was actually attached to a layer of a membrane of skin sitting in front of it. This is going to be quick. Bang. There we go. So all of the membrane's gone. We're just suctioning all that away. It released a ton of olive oil that was sitting behind it. So it's gone a bit blurry, unfortunately. But the eardrum itself looks nice and healthy. This is the wax we removed, so this is the harder lumps we took out. A lot of that stuff got sucked into the machine, so everyone wants to see what the tank looks like. This is what we see, so this is debris in the bottom of the tank at the front of the suction machine. Well, thank you very much for watching, guys. As always, like, share, subscribe. You're doing a fantastic job with growing our channel, so keep up the good work, guys, and as always, take care.